Hi, friends, did you know that there are some very rare animals in this world? Come on, let's get to know 3 of them. First, there is the Javan rhino. This species only exists on the western tip of Java Island, Indonesia. With numbers continuing to decline, the one-horned rhino is one of the rarest animals in the world. Second, vaquita, a small dolphin that lives in the Gulf of California, Mexico. It is estimated that only 10 individuals remain in the wild due to the threat of gill nets. Lastly, the red wolf. These wolves were declared extinct in the wild since 1980. Now, they can only be found in captivity. Come on, take care of their preservation so they don't really become extinct. Share this video so that more people care. See you in the next video.